Hello everyone, I Vivek welcome you to my YouTube channel Being Civilian. I hope you're doing well and studying well. In this video, I would like to explain the topic Applications of Global Positioning System in Civil Engineering. So let us start the video. Firstly, we will have a brief introduction about Global Positioning System technology. So basically, GPS can be defined as a worldwide navigational and surveying facility based on reception of signals from orbiting satellites, also known as Navstar, developed by the United States. Initially, it was used for military purpose but further allowed access to civilians in 1983. System consists 24 satellites. The system is maintained by the US Air Force. It is flexible and can be used by any person if a GPS receiver is available. Now let us see how the GPS technology works. So the GPS satellite transmits data including its location and time. The satellites synchronize within themselves to transmit data at equal pace. The receivers obtain the signals by the satellite. Distance between the satellite and receiver is estimated by the time taken by signal to travel. So the whole system works as above. Then we will have a look at the structure of GPS technology. Basically the technology consists three parts: the space segment, the user segment and the control segment. So by observing the given diagram, we get that the space segment includes satellites which are heart of GPS technology. Satellites pass signals to receiver which helps to find the location. At least 4 satellite signals must be locked to get a location. The user segment, which has military and civilian users, includes receiver to detect signals and computer to convert data to information. The control segment helps the entire system to work efficiently. It's necessary to keep the satellite in appropriate orbits. The various advantages of GPS technology are: it is efficient even when obstructions are present. System is independent of any weather conditions. It consumes less time and is more flexible. Provides higher accuracy with three-dimensional geographic information. Now let's see the various applications of GPS technology. So altogether there are two main applications of GPS technology: the civilian application and military application. The civilian applications include use by navigators for positioning and orientation. Various photographs and documents can be used for creating maps. Boundaries of property could be established. Used to detect earthquakes. The GPS tracking system is used to detect any vehicle or person. The military applications include knowing the location of a downed pilot by tracking him or her out. The petrol movements can be handled. The military weapons use GPS to track air or ground targets before they are flagged. The technology targets military weapons such as cruise missiles, etc. In this slide, let us know the recent development of GPS technology in India. So we all know about the 1999 Kargil war fought between India and Pakistan. During the war, India sought permission to the United States to get access to the GPS technology. But unfortunately, the US denied the permission to access. Hence, on 1st of July 2013, the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) launched a regional satellite navigation system named NAVIC. The app provides accurate location positioning and timing services. It includes 8 satellites operating at the Indian subcontinent with higher accuracy and speed as compared to the US based GPS technology. It is said that the NAVIC app is India's answer to GPS system of America. Lastly, I would like to conclude by stating that GPS technology is highly cost effective as to their applications, also used for planning and design of various engineering projects and obtain data at various locations and time period. To promote applications of GPS technology in our country, the researchers need to strengthen the study. I hope you enjoyed the video. I request you to like it below. Thank you and have a great day ahead.